In this video, you will learn how to create a paypal.me link in 2021. Open a web browser and log in to your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal username, password, and click on Login. Click on the Settings button in the top right corner of the screen. And click on Get PayPal.me. Click on Create PayPal.me profile. Choose your link. Create a memorable link and share it to get paid. Now you can choose and make your own PayPal link. For example, paypal.me/travelhair. If the name is still available, click on Next. Click on the box to agree with the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. And click on Agree and Create. Your profile is live. Share your paypal.me link and start receiving money from friends and customers. Click on Done. Congratulations, you have now created your own paypal.me link. Now I will check my own paypal.me link. paypal.me/travelhair. If this video helped you, feel free to make a small donation to my PayPal account.